Good morning, everyone. Storm Door Guy here, and today I'm doing a no BS review on the Pella Select Storm Door. We have an almond colored door here with a curved aged bronze, or oil rub bronze rather, door handle. This is a full view door, meaning it is all glass or all screen. You have to take one out and store the other. So if you want screen, you got to pull out the glass. It's really easy to do, semi-easy to do, I should say, on this door. One thing I like is there's 4 plastic retainer strips all the way around the door, so the glass is held into place rather securely. One of the downsides is trying to remove this. You've got to take a butter knife or a flat-headed screwdriver, stick it right in this plastic piece here, and then pull it towards the middle of the door. Can be a little challenging to do, so that's a downside, but I do like how the glass is held into place. Next, you'll notice there are actually 2 door closer pistons, one on the bottom here, and then a backup on the top there. I like that. It helps the door close nice and smoothly. This also has a tap and hold closer, so instead of the little washers that you slide out to hold the door open, you just push the button here and the door props open. To unlock it, don't push the button again, you just push the door open a bit more. I do like that. This door comes with a fully functional key and deadbolt. So this key is actually the same size as an entry door key, so you can have it rekeyed to match your front door. All you do is simply remove this screw, and then you can remove this lock body right here. Bring this lock and your entry door key to a locksmith, and they can rekey it, as long as it is a quick set key. If you have a Schlage lock, then you cannot rekey these because the locks don't fit. So I also like how this door has the built-in mortises for the door latch and the deadbolt. There's no little L bracket here. Everything just mounts really clean and easily into the door frame. It makes it a little more secure. And then also every door comes with a registration number here, so you can register the door's warranty with the factory. So, one other thing, the bottom of the door here has a dual rubber weather stripping right here. You can see this helps seal against the sill plate on your entry door, creating a nice tight seal. This gap here is standard on all storm doors. This is an expander piece, and it's designed to move up and down with different heights of doors between 80 and 81 inches. So that is the no BS review of the Pella Select Storm Door. To note, Pella storm doors are owned by Larson. So, yeah, they're overall a very good door. Help to keep the cold out. For this and more information, visit my website, stormdoorguy.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.